Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a transformative product that might just change the way you maintain your swimming pool, the Dolphin Nautilus Pull-Up Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. We found this incredible device online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. The Dolphin Nautilus is a robotic pool cleaner designed specifically for small pools, up to 26 feet in length. It's engineered to make your pool cleaning routine effortless and efficient. With just the touch of a button, you can have a spotless pool floor and walls, allowing you to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your swimming oasis. So, what makes the Dolphin Nautilus stand out? One of its key features is its smart pool cleaning technology. It autonomously navigates your pool, effectively covering the entire area, including the walls. This is thanks to its wall scrubbing power, which allows it to climb walls and thoroughly clean any surface, regardless of shape or texture. Whether you have a vinyl, tile, or fiberglass pool, this vacuum gets the job done. Another highlight is its plug-and-play efficiency. Setting it up is incredibly simple, just plug it in, drop it into your pool, and power it on. Within 2 hours, you can expect a pristine pool, free from dirt and debris. This ease of use is a game-changer, especially for those who may feel overwhelmed by the maintenance of their swimming pools. But what about the cleaning performance? The Dolphin Nautilus features an active scrubbing brush that works hard to eliminate any stubborn debris. This means less manual effort for you and a cleaner pool overall. It's gentle on surfaces but tough on grime, ensuring that your pool stays in top shape without risking any damage to the materials. Now, who is this robotic pool cleaner suitable for? If you're a pool owner who values convenience and efficiency, the Dolphin Nautilus is a fantastic option. It's perfect for busy families, those who may not want to spend their weekends cleaning, or anyone who simply wants to enjoy a sparkling clean pool without the hassle. Additionally, it's ideal for homeowners with small pools who want a targeted cleaning solution that won't take all day. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine it's a hot summer day, and you're ready to dive into your pool. With the Dolphin Nautilus, you can just set it and forget it. While you're relaxing with a book or enjoying a barbecue, this robotic cleaner is doing all the hard work for you. You can also schedule it to run during off-peak hours, ensuring that your pool is always ready when you are. In conclusion, the Dolphin Nautilus Pull-Up Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful ally in pool maintenance. With its smart cleaning technology, wall scrubbing capabilities, and plug-and-play efficiency, it's designed to make your life easier and your pool cleaner. With over 40 years of legacy in effortless cleaning, this product promises unmatched performance, durability, and ultimately, peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.